You need a gift for that special someone with a seriously silly sense of humor? Look no further. This remote controlled gag gift is a real gas. It comes fully loaded with everything you need to fill the room with laughter. Tears are optional. Inside the box comes with a sturdy base, batteries, yes, they're included, and a remote control blaster. Activate it from the base or the remote control. It's perfect for surprise attacks and unforgettable pranks. This is certainly one gift they'll never forget. Today and start blasting the laughs. But be warned, this gift is a gas.